I'm excited to introduce Mushroom Solutions' SiteOps solution. Our all-in-one solution provides an extensive suite of tools to enhance participant engagement, improve digital data capture, and streamline regulatory compliance, ensuring smooth and efficient trial management. SiteOps offers a unified platform that helps you gain a competitive edge through its comprehensive feature set, focusing on advanced data analytics, decentralized trials, and integrated financial management. Let's begin by exploring the Financial Management and Analytics module. Track financials, generate invoices, and gain insights into business development with advanced data analytics. As an approver, after logging in, you can navigate to the Invoice section, where you can see two sections with receivable invoice and payable invoices, and you can see previous generated invoices. Now you can generate a new invoice by filtering the sponsor to view all studies along with participants. The tables displays all the related tests and custom line items associated with participants respected to study and procedure, with total amount by delete and edit as actions also with subtotal. Now you can also add a new custom line item by clicking on Add Custom Line Item button here. You have many options to add a custom line items per study level or participant level. Now, for example, we can add more dry ice and custom line item and enter amount and submit. Successfully added a new custom line item and refetch the bills for new added custom line item. By clicking Generate Invoice button, you can set a due date. It will generate a invoice. You can then click on the document icon to view the invoice in PDF format, which contains all the available information related to costs that sponsor can pay. Additionally, you can update the invoice by clicking on Update button and select the participants, visits, and studies, as well as reviewing custom line items to be paid, along with the total amount and payment method. Upon submission, you can review the received amount details. Moving on to the Payable Invoice section, you can upload a document and the system will automatically populate the relevant data. You can review, and once submitted, you will be able to view all payable invoices. You can also update payable invoices by filling relevant information related to uploaded invoice and make necessary edits before submitting the data. Checking the updated details of payable invoices by clicking here, the total amount and paid amount details will be visible for review. Now navigate to the Reports page and selecting the Business Development Report. You can view a summary of pending and received amounts by sponsor, payments made and pending for payables, revenue and pending amounts by study, revenue generated and pending amounts based on tests, along with revenue generated by participants and respective participant counts. Additionally, you can review paid visit amounts and payments per visit and the total number of studies. The graphs will display enrollments over time and revenue over time. By selecting the Participant Enrollment Graph, you can view participant counts by enrollment studies, participant counts by exclusion reasons in a pie chart, participant counts by medication duration, participant counts by medication type, and a graph of participants screened by date. Finally, selecting the Adverse Events Study Report allows you to view reports based on studies, including a pie chart of blood pressure studies and data categorized by adverse event type, adverse event count by outcome, participant count by action taken, and a study status report with graphs categorized by sponsors. Streamlined Workflow Management SiteOps enables you to streamline workflows for managing medications, adverse events, appointments, and meetings, all within a unified platform. Workflow automation worksheets. SiteOps streamlines workflows with multi-study worksheet management and calculated fields, adverse event tracking and protocol deviations. Scheduling and document management schedule appointments, host virtual meetings, and use AI for document and invoice processing, all within one platform. Nurse user journey login as nurse accessing the physical examination worksheet. Click on the physical examination worksheet. Select a participant and the relevant procedure, then fill out the form. If the nurse selects the CS, Clinical Significant option, they will be redirected to complete the adverse event form. After submitting the adverse event form, the nurse will be redirected back to the physical examination form to finish filling out the remaining sections. Once all sections are completed, click the I'm Done button to submit the worksheet. Checking notifications. Check the latest notifications related to patient severity. Select Josh to view the history. Click on Uploaded Documents to see all documents and folders related to participants. Under Participant Documents, the nurse can review both general documents and worksheet-level documents. Click on the View Trending Results button. Select the relevant worksheet and data element to generate a table displaying values and dates, along with graphs. Click on the Adverse Event feature to see a comprehensive list of adverse events. The nurse can check reminders in the Notification feature. Upon logging in as Investigator PI, John can view the recently visited patient details and can review the adverse events and clinically significant notes. For instance, by clicking the Severe option in the Events column for participant Anthony, then he can either agree or agree with caution or request for additional information by clicking on the Need More Info button. Click on View Details for the participant exploring responded worksheets. Under Responded Worksheets, the investigator can see all worksheets, view all responses. Then select the View Response button to see the submitted responses. The investigator can edit some of the responses and resubmit the worksheet as necessary. Comparing updated responses. To check for updated responses related to the worksheet, navigate back to the same View Response page and click on the Compare Response button. This feature allows the investigator to see who edited the responses and review previous responses alongside the updated ones. Once again, log in as Nurse Lucy to view the latest notifications from Principal Investigator related to participants, and in Schedule Appointment section, add New Appointment for participant with doctor you selected from this form. And to join the meeting by clicking on button and enter username and go on. Log in as Monitor Erica. Then you can see sites, protocols, worksheets, adverse events, and participants cards. Click Site 3 in the pie chart to access related site studies and worksheets, and similarly for Site 4. The search functionality allows you to search for specific items, and you can click the View button to access all sites. By clicking on Worksheet Response in the pie chart, you can access the adverse event form and respective worksheet data. The same applies to other cards, where detailed information is displayed. Management Console SiteOps provides a powerful management console for seamless management of sites, studies, and participants. With role-based access and worksheet management, SiteOps ensures secure, organized, and efficient workflows. Plus, to access the admin page, log in as administrator. Upon successful login, you will be presented with a comprehensive interface featuring various models on the left side and a list of worksheets on the right. Billing Master. Click on this option to view all test names along with the necessary details related to billing. User Validation Model. This section allows you to see all registered users and their respective roles. Monitor Erica. Here, you can map participants, protocols, clinical sites, and relevant worksheets. Question Limits. In this section, you can review questions along with their corresponding ranges, units. Gain a competitive edge with Mushroom's SiteOps, a unified clinical trial management platform designed to streamline workflows, enhance efficiency, and elevate the participant experience. Contact us today to learn more about how SiteOps can enhance your clinical trial management.